Prakash,
Hi, good morning.
long time no see.
Yeah, we have to come back to normalcy where we can meet each other at Munich Fabric Start.
Yeah, we should. But for now, you are in Hagen, as I understood.
Yes, I'm stuck in Germany, so I could not go back to my country.
Well, you are the last person that I can call stuck, because I always have the feeling that you are always free in your heart and free in your head as well.
Body is stuck here, Mentally,
Okay.
spiritually, I'm everywhere.
Thanks for taking the opportunity to have this conversation. We talked before last week, and we have interesting conversation for years now. Maybe a small introduction. I know you as a designer for Cocccon, the non-violent silk company. But you do a lot of other stuff as well, and it's all based around your core business, like fashion and textiles, right?
Right. So Cocccon is part of my path to sustainability. When I started this company, idea was how to make fashion, luxury fashion or high fashion also sustainable, because that time organic cotton was there, wool was there, but for luxury department there was nothing. Then I made this program for a sustainable silk. Now we are market leader already. We have big success, but as I said, this is part of my long way to sustainability. There are many other things happening. I've been doing a lot of research on PET. I have been doing a lot of research on regenerative things. So
what I heard, but I don't know correctly, but please fill me up on this one, is that your thoughts and your heart is going to a different kind of project. What is it?
See, it's all started during the beginning of Corona, this lockdown, because my company is OCS and got certified, and we are certified from farm to fashion. All our chain is certified, and they do physical auditing. Physical auditing means somebody from GOTS, they come to our farm, they come to our mill, spinning unit, weaving unit, printing unit. They check, and then they make a report about us. But during Corona, we had lockdown in India almost 6 months, and they could not come. And then I was thinking, then I had also thought, why can't we have a system? We're talking about digital solution.
Yeah.
Why can't be a kind of digital auditing? So in terms of digital auditing, they just do Zoom, So I can fake. I'm not Prakash. I could be somebody else. I'm telling Prakash. So the kind of technology we use, artificial intelligence, blockchain, where we could do stream traceable auditing. When I'm in India, I go to farmers. I live with them. I spend nights, weeks with organic cotton farmers. I go to flex plantation. I live with farmers for my silk waste. So I know, but if I see the land, I know this is organic or non-organic. For me, sustainability also people behind. I want to see how they live, if they're happy or not happy, if they are making enough money. I stay with them in their huts, without technology. So I see them. I see a lot of honest organic cotton farmers, a lot of honest people, but I also see people who are not honest, so-called organic, but they're not organic. And last year during lockdown, where physical auditing was not possible, and last year was extreme of greenwashing. And GOTS also, they did their internal research, and they found 20,000 metric tons of claimed organic cotton. They were not organic. So my system, what I have been developing, I've been busy last 8 months, is that you have multi-layer of surveillance. It's not, see, trust is good, but in Germany we say control is better,
Okay, but now it's getting a bit abstract from from my perspective. How does it work? So let's start on the land. What happens over there?
So, what everybody should know, like what I have noticed, is that the current auditing system is linear. Linear means one controller auditor, he visits one farm, organic cotton farm or flex farm or silk farm. He takes some sample of given land. So he has no technology to fly, to see. He cannot oversee the entire land. So
the first step is that you will check the sample of the the raw
land,
material, of the raw ground. Yeah.
First ground level, soil sample, leaf sample. If they have, so they just have to verify if land is pure, is organic. There's no pesticide, herbicide, other toxins are used. Leaves, they have no pesticide, so it's naturally grown. So this they or the current auditing system is done at a given sample area.
Okay, the next step.
Yeah, so that's the one, and then this information comes on a paper, and then they give to certification company bodies, like every country has its own, and then they put in Excel sheet. And in some form they also use blockchain. Some new startup, they're really cool, which cannot be manipulated, but if it's not blockchain, it can be manipulated easily. So you can always say, like, instead of 10 metric ton, you made 100 tons of organic cotton. So there's no cross verification here. So that's why this is linear and outdated in 2021.
Yes.
We are talking about the age where physical audit will be less or no. So for that, it's outdated. So there are many things in current status where there's no way one big company sitting in Germany and Holland have any access of connection to the farmer. So I want to make this kind of transparency, traceability in that much that, my t-shirt is grown in this part of the world, in Kazakhstan, Pakistan, India, anywhere, will give them access to exact meter of the land, what they can see in their mobile phone.
What do I, as a customer, as a consumer, what do I expect? What can I expect?
So as a consumer, what you should expect is that you ask your company you're buying, that you are not just happy to see a label organic. You want more information.
You want me to be more active on this point?
Consumer has to be more active.
Okay.
If this company who is telling you, hey, this is just organic, don't just be happy with that. Ask more proofs, more traceability solution. You have to ask them. And consumer, like our current generation of teenagers who are going to be our client next year, they cannot be fooled around. You have to give them proof. When I say organic, this is honestly organic.
When can we expect this kind of transparency of the whole chain then?
See, depends on willpower of companies or government. I know in Germany they have a new rule coming, this Lieferkettengesetz, which is like from 1st January 2022, I think, or 3. Companies should be ready. And also depend on individual company if they really want. And I'm telling you one thing, and also warning companies, if as a brand, if you're not ready with this kind of information, you are nowhere in future, you will not exist. Because future consumers, they need...
This is a very heavy warning, Prakash.
Yes, it's a hard truth, actually. Young customer who are teenagers, who are fighting for like a school strike or Fridays for Future, they will not buy anything from you till the time you don't give that any confirmation, honest information that you are doing something for environment.
Okay.
You're not destroying the earth where they're going to live next year.
Very important mission and very important vision, Prakash. How can the industry help you, or what do you want?
Right. So I had a vision, and people from different kind of industries started helping me. I need to make, in next 3 months, I need to make one network of people who can help me in reaching my goal. I just formed a company, GmbH, private limited company is formed. What I need is technical people who knows about QR code, who know about blockchain. Maybe you have also some idea like me. We can collaborate. I'm sure I'm not the only one. I have this feeling. You guys also have kids. You also think about their future. So I want what I need is also financial. If somebody is financial expert, like we are looking for CFO. Or somebody just want to share same ambition.
So thank you very much, Prakash. I think we are staying in contact for further developments coming this year.
Sure.
I'm really looking forward to meet again, and maybe it will be during the Munich Fabric Start in September then.
We'll see there.
Thank you very much for your time.
Namaste.